Hello everyone, here is Shisto. Today take you to look at the production process of pliers. The first thing we see is that the steel rod is eventually forged into the lever of the two pliers. But in the process we'll produce a lot of oxides and raw edges. So the next batch will be put into the polishing machine. Clean the countless metal particles inside, remove all bumpy impurities, and make the metal surface glow with a matte texture. They are placed on the broaching machine and dozens of knives are gradually cut up one end of the front mouth with the help of lubricant, so that it forms the shape of the front teeth. Therefore, it needs to be placed in the card slot when the machine automation equipment is started, and then sent to the grinding platform. The purpose is to eliminate inappropriate gaps and ensure that the tip of the front mouth can be accurately matched. The ball is then placed on a press, and gravity is applied through the film to press out the non-slip groove of the handle, which is often carefully shaped and positioned to not only increase grip strength, but also provide more comfort, thus reducing hand fatigue. To assemble a complete pair of pliers, a worker operates a machine that puts a brake on one end of the lever and punches holes for the connection. These holes must be precisely positioned to ensure that the two levers move in parallel. The next worker continues to operate the machine, stamping the workpiece so that the design on the touch is imprinted onto the metal surface. Here the primary preparation of the main parts of the pliers is completed, and it is necessary to go through a manual grinding process respectively. Through sandbag grinding, remove the uneven rough part of the metal surface to improve the flatness of the workpiece, and then replace the polishing wheel. The next electroplating treatment, electroplating, is done to increase its hardness and corrosion resistance. Finally, after rinsing to remove the remaining electrolyte and chemicals, it is time to assemble. First, cut the shaft through the small hole, connect the two main components together, and then screw in the nut clamp to fix them, so that the two are installed in the correct position. Then straighten the pliers a little to make sure they are tightly closed with no obvious gaps or misalignments. The machine then turns and applies pressure to force the metal at the top of the shaft pin to extend, so that the two parts are tightly locked together. Okay, that's it for this video. I'll see you next time.